Hello everyone. This video is regarding how to create your Google Classroom and how to upload your question paper for your practical exam and theory exam which will be from 15th June. So first you have to create the Google quiz for your practical exam. For the same we have to click on your own Gmail account. After clicking on it, you can see this Google app. This dots are here at the right side of your screen. Click on here. First, you have to create your Google form, like Google quiz. So for the same, we have to go to Drive. Click on Drive. After clicking on Drive, you will be able to see this screen. Click on New. After clicking on New, you can see a More option. In a More option, click on Google Forms. Now you can see this is a blank form. You have to give your title, that is Biotechnology Practical. So here you have to add a question. So here we will take a multiple choice question. So automatically it will take a multiple choice. So this is the one which is required for us. Now before adding a question, just click on a setting option which is at the right side of your screen. Click on a setting. In a setting option you can click on, you can see the general presentation and quizzes. So you just click on quizzes and make this a quiz. Fine. So now again you can see this option immediately after each submission. Student will be able to see their marks. So respondent can see missed question, correct answers and point values. Just click on save. Fine. So now it will be acting as a quiz. So now you just enter your question here and click 4 options. So I have added 4 options here. Now click on answer key. After clicking on it, you have to click on a right answer. So here the answer is prokaryotic. I just clicked on it and allot the marks. So here at the right side you can see the points. Just add 1 point here and last is done, and just click on this required point. Okay. So now you have created 1 question. Likewise you have to create 10 questions. Once you have done with it, so just click on this untitled form, so it will automatically turn as your title. Then just click on send. After clicking on send, you'll be able to see this type of block. The first is by message, then the second is link. Click on link option. Here you can see a link. Shorten this link URL and copy it. So this is how to create the question paper for your practical section. Now as we have done with this, you can go back to your Gmail account. Again click on this 9 dots at the right side, that is Google app mentioned there. Just scroll it down. You can see the classroom. Now how to create the classroom. So first, so now you can see this Google Classroom. I have already created it for BPharm 6th semester. So this is one which is created by my side. Now just click on this plus option, that plus sign here. After clicking on it, you can create or join the class. So being a teacher, you can create, just click on create class. After clicking on it, you have to accept all the criteria required for this Google Classroom. Just click a right on it and continue. Now you can see a class name, section, subject, group. Here the class name is mandatory, so I just add BPharm 7. So now create. We can create any number of classrooms by using your Gmail. We can add around 125 students in one classroom. So now you can see as I have created it, this is the BPharm 6th semester classroom created by me just now. So now you can see this class code, this is G6R7FQO. So this is the class code we can provide to students to join our class. Now we can post here announcement, we can post here classwork. So now I am just going on a classwork. You can see the 4 options are here: stream, classwork, people and grades. So just click on classwork and create. Now in create option you can see assignment. After clicking on it, you can you have to enter the title, as it is biotechnology theory paper. So I have added here biotechnology theory paper. You can add here instructions that kindly download the question paper, submit sheet in answer sheet PDF format in given period. So this is what I have added the instructions. Click on add option. You can see this add. So now you can add a file here, because we have to add question paper here. So after clicking on file, you just select file. So I have just created one document, that's question paper, here on a desktop. Select it and open it and upload. So now this is the question paper. Yes, only student can view this file. Then at the right hand side you can do the editing in the points. So this is of 30 marks, so 30. Then due date, so the date of your paper, that biotechnology, if I consider 15 June, then the time is till 3:30 PM. So this is what all the required things I have done here, and saved. This is already saved. Okay, so this is how to provide your question paper for theory. And now you can see at the right hand side assign option, schedule and save draft. So now I have to show them this particular paper at around 1:45. So I have to schedule it. So schedule, click on schedule on 15th June, right? So at I say 1:40 PM. So I have scheduled it for 15th June. So student will be able to see this on 15th June 1:40 PM. Okay. So this is how to create the biotechnology theory paper. Now how to create for now again you have to click on either you can click on assignment or you can click on quiz assignment. So just click on quiz assignment, In mobile app, generally will not able to see the quiz assignment option. You can see only the assignment option. In that case, you have to click on assignment only. Now the title is Biotechnology Practical. Right. So now in this case, either you can create a new quiz here by using this Google form, but I have already created it in my drive. So I'm going to add. After clicking on add, click on link, and as I have copied my link earlier, so I'm going to paste the same link here. So this is the link for my question paper. So add link. So I have added here my biotechnology practical paper. Again, just you have to mention here the due date. So I'm going to mention here 15th June, and here the timing is of morning time, so 11 a.m. Fine. So now, and it will be visible to students on 15th June morning. So I have to again click on the this arrow, that downward arrow, and then schedule. After clicking on it, I have to schedule on 15th June, and then here I'll just enter 10 a.m. So this is right. So this is 10 a.m. So schedule. So I have scheduled it for 15th June. You can see here in a classwork, this is in a gray. It is not dark color. It is just a gray color because it is scheduled on 15th, and the one is scheduled on 15th again in afternoon hours. So after creating this, you'll be able to see this all. So this is what all about how to create a question paper for your sessional examination. Thank you so much.